5 Best Power Adapter. Here is the product number 5. ACKE10 AC Power Adapter. Brand name, Batmax. Connection, plug-in. Output type, AC. Model number, EU. Type, AC adapter. Output, 7.4 volts/2A. Input, 110 to 240 volts. AC, 50/60 Hz. Model, ACKE10. Here is the product number 4. ACKE10 AC Power Adapter. Features, input, 5V2A4A. Output, 8.4 volts. USB plug specification, USB 2.0. Length, greater than 180 centimeters. Accessories, 1 USB cable, 1 Dr. E6 battery case. This USB to 6 coupler is suitable for the following Canon digital cameras. Here is the product number 3. 30 watts US/UK/O/EU Universal Power Adapter. Micro USB V-plug middle.LED terminal connector. Output voltage, 3 volts/4.5 volts/5 volts/6 volts/7.5 volts/9 volts/12 volts. AC input: 100 to 240 volts, 0.25A 50/60 Hz. Here is the product number 2. ACKE8 Digital Camera AC Power Adapter. Features, LED power indicator on AC adapter body back. Lightweight power adapter, assures power when needed. 100-240 volts. Worldwide use, ideal for international travel, but you may need to buy the correct plug adapter. Provides extra convenience for indoor shooting. Built-in circuit protection and fast charge. Power cord included. Here is the product number 1. ACPW20 DC Coupler Power Adapter. Description: DC cable drive not only can play the role of power adapter, but also can effectively suppress harmonic currents. High-quality chips, DC inverter conversion efficiency. Good stability, high current output, low static current. DC transmission cable connection, for a digital camera power supply, mobile power, 5,000 30,000 mAh.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.